Can you count to 10, Landon?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
13.
14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
How old are you now?
3.
And how many?
3.
You see all those fingers? And what are you going to be for Halloween?
4.
4. No, what are you going to dress up for as Halloween?
Pumpkin.
A pumpkin?
Yeah.
Oh, really? What's Lincoln going to be?
He's gonna be a little pumpkin too.
A little pumpkin too?
Or a big pumpkin.
Oh. What's your favorite movie right now, Landon?
Georgia.
Georgia?
Yeah, Georgia movie.
Georgia movie?
Yeah.
What's Georgia movie?
I don't know. It's this Toots. Toots. Hey, Toots.